threat. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Owen County until 5 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles south of Owen, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
It'll take place tomorrow.
Windows and vehicles will be burned. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Harmony. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media.